Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa Sardar. I am 19-year-old. I am from Jhelum, Punjab, and now I am participant at Rehan AI Teaching Institute. So my today task is giving review on the TEDx talk of Barbara Oakley. So in her TEDx talk, Barbara Oakley learning how to learn is one of the most inspiring and practical talk for students, teachers and anyone who want to improve their ability to learn. In this talk, she explains the learning is not just about talent or intelligence, but also using the right method and approach. She began by sharing her own story. As a child, she struggled with math and science, and though she was bad at these subjects, later in life she joined the military and then decided to go back to school to study engineering, a subject that requires a lot of maths. Surprisingly, she not only learned math but became a professor of engineering. The person the personal journey shows that anyone can learn anything if they use the right techniques. One of the main ideas she talked about is the two modes of the brain. The first one is the focused mode, when we concentrate deeply on one problem or idea, and the second is diffuse mood, when our mind relaxes, wanders, and connects ideas in the background. She explained the effective learning requires switch between these two modes. If you only focus without break, your brain gets stuck. But if you take break, sleep well, or do something relaxing, your mind work in the diffuse mode and find solution. Barbara also highlight the importance of practice and repetition. Just like athletes train their muscles, learners need to train their brain by practicing regularly. Memorizing at the last minute does not build strong understanding. Instead, constant practice over time make knowledge stay in the long-term memory. Another useful tip from her talk is about procrastination. She said many learners avoid studying because the brain feels uncomfortable at the beginning. But if you start with just a small step, the discomfort goes away and you get into the flow. She recommends using techniques like Pomodoro method, working for 25 minutes and then taking a short break. Her talk and with a powerful message, learning how to learn is the most important skill of all. If you know the right strategy, you can master any subject, whether it's math, music, language, or art. Overall, Barber Oakley talk is practical, encouraging, and easy to understand. It teaches us that learning is not about being naturally smart, but about being consistent, patient, and strategic. Anyone at any age can rewire their brain and become a successful learner. So this is my TEDx review. Thank you.